Okay, then like that, I will go through a bit deeper lah, along the way lah, just to recap together all the way from the start. Okay, so but first I'm gonna use, you can see the screen, right? I share screen already, right? I think so, correct? You can see what can you see? Wait, pause share first. I forgot what I share. Let me share again. Hang on. Share screen. This one. Okay. Okay. If you can see what I see, you should be looking at a person with all the parts of the digestive system. Can see, Can Jarvis can see? Okay, good. Okay, so what's gonna happen here is that when I click on all these parts, right? It actually over here they say esophagus. There's this word called esophagus here. But for us, right, for primary school, right, we don't call it esophagus, we call it gullet. Okay, the simpler word gullet. Esophagus, you wait until secondary school. You don't write the word esophagus in PSLE in your end of year paper, or don't need to know all this word first. Use the easier word first, gullet first. Okay, so this is the gullet. Then it goes to your stomach. Then after that, small intestine, large intestine. Okay, then after that, all the other parts they never label. Okay, so what's happening here is that when I click on all these parts, you will actually see two images. Okay, one image, I scroll down a bit, is of a healthy person, how the part looks like. Okay, and then this is a McKenna. Okay, McKenna is just, if you look at the context, this person, McKenna here, is a person. Okay, so one from a healthy person and one from this other person. Okay, so you look at the differences. Can you sort of like see what's the difference in the gullet of the healthy person and the other one? Can you see or not? If I ask you to describe, hey, the healthy one look like what? The McKenna one look like what? Come share your thoughts in the chat, come. Or you all want to open your mic also can. Then you can just verbally talk to me, because only two of you. It's okay to, what's that thing called? To just open your mic and talk rather than typing. Or if you all prefer typing, I'm not going to stop you. You can go ahead and type. Okay, but I just need to know, will you describe the differences you see here between the healthy gullet and the gullet, the McKenna gullet?
Me.
Lucas, yes?
If you see the white one and the very red one,
Alamak, wait, let me on my volume a bit more. Okay, yes, go ahead.
the very white and the red one, the red one is the good
You
one.
wait, both to me looks like pink red leh.
So I think the red one is healthier and the white one is less healthier.
Okay, they actually put down here already. This is the healthy one. This is the one with this McKenna thingy. So I want you to describe for me, like what kind of differences, how will you describe the difference between a healthy one and the McKenna one?
Oh, the healthy one is because it's red.
What thing is it?
Because there's more blood cells. I mean, there's more blood there.
More blood cells, you think of more blood cells because it's more pink, more reddish. Possible because in red blood cell they carry the red pigment, right, to give blood the red color. Okay, possible, but there's another difference in the appearance of the healthy and the McKenna one. You can see, right, the healthy one has like a larger space between in the tube. This one is a bit narrower. Can see or not? Can, right? Like the walls, the whole opening, the opening of the tube here is narrower than the healthy one. Okay, so a person, right, can have some conditions, maybe some health conditions that maybe narrows down the tube of the gullet, okay, making it harder for the person to do digestion later. Okay, because the gullet, you remember what the gullet do? The gullet helps to pass food from the mouth to the stomach, right? It's connecting the mouth and the stomach. Okay, so let's look at the other parts first. So that's the gullet. Then we go down to the stomach lah. Okay, so the stomach walls. Okay, this is the healthy one. This is the McKenna guy one. Okay, the healthy one, both looks very wrinkly, correct or not? Okay, even the healthy one, that means for you all, I assume you all have healthy stomachs. Your stomach would look something like this. The wall of the stomach, not your stomach, the wall of the stomach would look something like this. Kind of wrinkly lah. Got muscles also, your stomach is muscular also, because your stomach need to, you use this word churn. Okay, your stomach need to churn food. If you don't know what's the meaning of churning, you just imagine your washing machine. You put your clothes inside the washing machine, you switch on the button. What happens to the clothes inside the washing machine? They will tumble around, correct or not? They will be spun around like that. Okay, that action is called churning. Okay, so in order for your stomach, right, to churn the food, right, the wall of the stomach need to be muscular lah. Okay, so that's why it's not smooth here. Got like wrinkles lah on the surface of the muscular stomach. Okay, but you look at McKenna's one, right? It kind of looks nicer, correct? Okay, it kind of looks like, hey, why so smooth and everything? Okay, maybe I had students in the last class. I had students telling me, "Chai, I prefer the McKenna stomach." Like, hey, but McKenna, I don't think have a healthy stomach. Like, healthy stomach should look like this. Okay, maybe less wrinkles means there's gonna be less muscles there. So maybe the stomach cannot churn very well, cannot mix the food very well. Okay, even though it looks nicer. Okay, let's move on. Now we know how our stomach inside look like. Let's move on to the small intestine. Hey, by the way, the stomach, right? Do they digest any food? Got or not? Stomach. Do you know what food is digested inside? Anyone? No? I give you 3 choices, you pick one. Okay, ready? I give 3 choices, you all pick one. What is that, Lucas? What is that? I see something, but what do you Google there?
Intestines, big intestine.
Intestine. But you Google intestine, cannot see the inside lah. You must type for inside the wall of the small intestine or something like that. Then you can see. Okay, listen to my question. Just now I give you a question. You all never listen. Listen to my question. Which food is digested in the stomach? I give you 3 choices. You pick one. Is it fats? Is it proteins? Or is it carbohydrates? Pick one. Which one is the correct answer? Type in the chat also if you can. Carbohydrate. Lucas say. Jervis? That one is what? I forgot. Carbohydrate also? Carbohydrate also. The answer is protein. Second one. Your stomach, okay, not just everybody's stomach, okay, everybody's stomach, they only digest one type of food, which is your proteins only. Okay, so imagine if you eat chicken food rich in protein, right? Then the proteins, most of it will be digested in the stomach. Okay, what if you eat chicken, but with the chicken skin? Who likes to eat chicken skin over here? Fried chicken skin, or is it the not fried one? How to say not fried one? Like the chicken rice skin, that one. Both of you like to eat chicken skin. Okay. Do you know chicken skin is very rich in fats. Okay, so when you eat chicken with the chicken skin, you're eating actually, something like that, because okay, if you eat chicken with the chicken skin, that means you are eating proteins and fats also. Okay, but if let's say I'm on a diet so if someone give me chicken, right, then I will peel off the skin of the chicken I will just eat the meat because the meat is healthy okay, the meat is rich in proteins only. I don't want fats okay. So if you eat chicken with chicken skin, then you digest it in your mouth, you chew, you digest, then after that you swallow. Okay, the food, the digested chicken, right, will go to the stomach. Then in the stomach, only the meat of the chicken will be digested. Your chicken still won't be digested yet, They will just be like mushy but the fats will not be digested yet, only the proteins. Okay, so in the mouth, only proteins are digested. Can you all remember this? Later, I might ask again. Okay, in the stomach, only proteins digested. In the mouth, let's go to the mouth. But this thing don't have mouth Wait, let me check. This thing don't have anything in the mouth. Okay, never mind. I think it will be a bit gross, right, to look into a person's mouth, right? So I think that's why they don't show it here, lah. Okay, but in the mouth, do you know what food is digested? I give you three choices again. Is it carbohydrate? Is it protein? Is it fats? Choose one. In the mouth. Is it carbohydrate? Is it protein? Is it fats? Look, Jervis say one, carbohydrate, right? Lucas, your answer?
What was the
Chocolate.
question? What was the question? 1, 2, 3 or what? What was the
What
one?
food is digested in the mouth? Carbohydrate, protein, or fats?
Fat.
Fats. Eh,
Fats.
now he go say
Answer?
carbohydrate. Walao ah.
Carbohydrate. Walao eh. Okay, carbohydrate. So in your mouth, only carbohydrate is broken down. But you know, carbohydrates, right? There's like 100,000 types of it. I'm exaggerating. I'm just trying to say that there's a lot of different types of carbohydrates. You just want to you just want to digest one type only in the mouth. You all know starch already, right? Got hear the word starch before, right? Who never hear before? Got hear, right? Okay, so only starch is broken down in your mouth. Then you go to your gullet, no digestion. Then you go to your stomach, is protein. Yucks. Look at disgusting. I'm not a dentist. That's why I'm not a dentist. I don't want to look into people's mouth. Okay? Okay. Then we go on small intestine. Let's look at the healthy and the McKenna's intestine. Can see difference or not? Who can identify for me the difference here? Healthy one here. Then the McKenna one over there. Next one. Who can identify for me the difference? Anyone? Try lah. Try more fun rather than just I give answer, boring, right? You all try, then I can. Oh, Jervis want to try. Okay, very good. Jervis, yes.
The healthy one go up, but the McKenna one go down, I think.
Huh? What? I heard canal something.
The healthy one go up, but the not healthy one go down.
Oh. Oh, okay. Okay, let's say it doesn't. Okay, let's say the position doesn't matter. Let's say okay, you know why the position doesn't matter or not? Because do you know how these images are captured or not? They actually put down camera leh. Not the big camera lah. Nobody can solo one big camera. It's a small microchip camera one. The size of a microchip lah. Okay, then they go all the way down. Okay, then if you ask me, right, is it got tube connected all the way? Might have because they want to like see how deep they want to see how deep they have to go so they use the camera, then the computer system will capture the images along the way, like a video or image or photo whichever one. Okay, so sometimes the position of the camera Jervis, so it doesn't matter whether the thing going upwards, downwards, doesn't matter as much. I want you to look at the conditions of the intestine itself. Do you notice anything different about it? Jervis, raise hand, is it? Or you put down some? You put down back? Raise hand, put down back? Which one? Delicious. Jervis, you raise hand. Okay, come. Or you put down your hand. Which one? I'm confused. Okay, Jervis, come.
Like the healthy one is up down, but the McKenna one is like straight one.
What's the up down you're talking about, Jervis? Is it this one?
Yeah.
Okay. So I think what you're trying to say, right, is that the wall, okay, the wall of the small intestine, the healthy one look like it's more folded, right? Okay, if you want, you say wrinkled more wrinkly but actually the right way is folded. It's more folded. You look at the McKenna one, the not so healthy one. The folding cannot really see that much, correct or not? It's like a bit flat like that. Okay, so you ask yourself, why the healthy one, the natural healthy one, got so many folds over here? how come it's always the disease one kind of looks nicer, you know, more shiny, more smooth and everything. But why we want our wall of the small intestine to be folded?